Repairing hair oil. This lightweight mist seals in moisture and imparts shine while enhancing texture and reducing frizz. Gentle enough for daily use, it won't weigh your hair down like other oils. Intense hydration. Features a blend of Umutanga Oil, Palmarosa Oil, Yashtimadhu Root, Yucca Root, Burdock Root Oil, soy, and vitamin E to hydrate, promote hair growth, soothe dry scalp, strengthen and nourish. Restore and nourish. Our products are formulated to hydrate, strengthen and revitalize hair and scalp and reduce frizz and breakage, including shampoos and conditioners, detanglers, leave-ins, masks, serums, treatments, oils and more. Premium ingredients. We promise to give back to our community while delivering premium products not tested on animals, and formulas free from mineral oil, petrolatum, parabens, sulfates, and formaldehydes. Nourish your hair and scalp. Formulated for the multicultural consumer and their diverse curl patterns, our products are infused with essential nutrients such as biotin, vitamins A, B, C and E, and much more. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I've already procured 3 customers for your product. I should get a commission, lol. Seriously, it takes this steel wool pad on my head, and softens it like a kitten's fur. Glorious shine, locks in moisture. You definitely get your money's worth.